I'm going to be testing out this squishy soap kit that I got for Easter. So, these kits are always interesting, so I wanted to see if it would actually work and how well it would work if it did. I was also sure to check the back beforehand because sometimes soap kits and DIY soaps have gelatin in them, or like a gelatin soap base, but it doesn't have that, so that's good, and I can still use it and make it. Happy face or something. So in this kit is a narwhal shaped cookie cutter, if you couldn't tell, 2 sets of instructions, a narwhal tattoo transfer sheet, very fancy word for narwhal tattoo, and some liquid soap. Interesting. Oh, and I forgot, there's also some nice, very nice rice flour. Yeah, colored rice flour. It's blue, if you couldn't tell. So yeah, that's all in that kit. And then, looking at the instructions, those are in French. French. I don't even take French class, so, you know, those are gone. And then here are the English instructions. Awesome, colorful soaps. Yeah. So the first thing it said to do was to prep your station and have an adult take over once the soap had been molded, which was kind of like, I'm responsible, I don't need that. So, yeah. Paper to keep workplace clean. Cleaning up. No apron, but I rolled up my sleeves, so it doesn't matter. Ingredients. I don't need adult supervision. I do need a bowl, though, so you're gonna come with me to get a bowl. My beautiful kitchen. A bowl. Bigger than 8 OZ, like it said. Filming area. So, funny thing, my phone did not switch over to the sideways recording area when I put it back into the tripod. Yeah, the rest of the video is going to be sideways. Enjoy that. Haha. Ha. Ha. You can still watch it. It's fine. It's okay. Blame the phone's directional skills. Is that a thing? Yeah, sure. You pour the rice flour in, you take the plastic part out, you pour the rice flour in, and you stir it all about, and do the squishy soapy, and turn it all around. That's what it's all about. Rice flour, which I didn't know existed before making this, actually. Fun fact. Okay, pouring the soap in. I had to squeeze the bottle a lot. It was hard to get all of the soap out. It's very inconvenient. Yeah, I couldn't get all the soap out of the bottle. It took me 10 minutes to get all of the soap out of the bottle. Fun. Okay, so after that, it said to mix the rice flour and the liquid soap together, but you needed a spoon. So I had to go get a spoon. Yeah. Doge. Other Doge. Silverware drawer. Spoon. Me realizing I should probably get a plastic spoon. Me realizing there are no disposable spoons. Me taking back the metal spoon. Doge. Doge love. Dress that is not mine. Video is still sideways. Yeah, sorry. This happens to me a lot. Anyways, time to start mixing. Wait, it's not back in the tripod yet. Okay, time to start mixing. Not yet. Oh, okay. Time to start mixing. So after you finish mixing with the spoon, the instructions called for kneading with your hands. But as you'll see in a little bit, it was still really sticky and floury, which was rather annoying. So after attempting to knead it with my hands and long nails, which the flour kept getting stuck in, I went to go get gloves, which is why I'm not here right now. Awkward silence. Okay, I'm back with gloves. And it also stuck to the gloves, but on the bright side, it was sticking to the gloves and not my hands, because otherwise it would have been really disgusting. not disgusting, but annoying and hard to get out of my nails. So you can see me kind of struggling to piece together all of the soap rice flour base, and it was still really crumbly. I guess there wasn't enough soap or water in it to hold it together all the way, which made it very hard to put together and give a dough-like consistency. Enjoy watching me struggle with this for the next minute. Just kidding. I'll cut it. It's okay. Okay, so after a while, I managed to get it into a ball, and so now it was time to cookie cut out a narwhal from the soap. But here's a catch. It was still too crumbly to cookie cut anything out of it. So instead, I just chose to stuff the soap into the narwhal mold, which, as you will see later in the video, was probably not the best idea, but I mean, it worked, and the dough didn't completely crumble and die. So, yeah. You can see me checking the directions in the corner to make sure I did it right. And here is me realizing that I don't know how to steam the soap. I do have a steamer, but I feel bad for the people who might have gotten this kit and then realize that they don't, or they don't know how to steam something. So, yeah, after steaming it, which took a while, you have this nice, beautiful, mushy lump that looks nothing like a narwhal at all. It was kind of funny, to be honest, to see how it turned out, which was badly. Okay, so here is the squishy soap in all of its glory. That's supposed to be a narwhal, by the way. Maybe it'll look better once it has the picture thing on, hopefully. Huh. I mean, I actually didn't even expect it to work, so this is good anyways, but well, let's just say it's a special narwhal. Yes, it's a very special narwhal. Okay, so I have the squishy soap. I wasn't able to get the narwhal thing on because look at how lumpy that is. It's just what? I expected it to be more squishy than it is. If you were to ask me what consistency I would label this soap as, it would be mushy, maybe, or slightly squishy, but it's not that squishy. So time to test it out with one hand because I'm feeling the other one. Maybe it'll be more squishy when it's in the water. Oh, and by the way, you're supposed to use this within 2 days of making it. So not sure how I'm going to use this entire bar of soap in 2 days, but yeah. So just a nice, interesting craft. Okay.